Welcome back again to new money method. So this is going to be a continuation video of my previous video, because the previous video that I made about triangular arbitrage trading was incomplete, right? Because it was getting too long, so I could not finish the whole process in that video. So in that video, I told you that you can go ahead and purchase a particular asset, a crypto asset. In that video, we used USDT, and go ahead and sell it in an external market. So we use the Nigerian market. So we use it the NGN, the Nigerian Naira. So basically in that video, and I'm going to do a recap of it, basically showing you how you can do it and how much that you can. So, but basically for the case of this video, update that since I published that video, I've had a lot of Nigerian friends, Ugandan friends contacting me basically on how we can do this. And we have actually tried a lot of payment methods, of which most of them were unsuccessful, but just two payment methods that were successful, right? One is a bank transfer and another one is by using cheaper cash, right? But not using the cheaper cash the way that you know, right? The way that you use it, of sending money, but it's another version, but it all rotates around cheaper cash. So what you need to do basically is you need to just have a trusted friend from Nigeria, or can be a friend, a merchant friend, right? These that sell on P2P basically. So what you need to do is, as long as you have a trusted Nigerian colleague, or and you can get these colleagues, right? I have made a lot of Nigerian friends during these few days after publishing that video. So friendship can be built, and as long as you trust, because in business, if you don't trust, then there is no business, right? And trust me, when you meet someone on a business ground, because every day you must do business, so the trust has to be, the bondage has to be strong, so that you can maintain that business friendship for the long term. So as long as both parties are benefiting, then it has to be long term, right? So you just need to have a trusted Nigerian friend, and a Ugandan person you're also trusted. That is it. So what you only need to do is just head over to P2P section right here. Let me go to trade section and then look for P2P right here. So when you go to P2P, what you need, if you don't have any USDT, if you don't have any USDT in your wallet, you just have to change right here. I'm in Tanzanian market, so just change. I'm talking if you are in Uganda. So if you're in Uganda, you just need to change to Ugandan market and look for any of these guys, these merchants here. Let me just get rid of this. So just head over to these guys that are selling USDT, and we are in a Ugandan market right here. Sorry. So we are in a Ugandan market. Just look for these guys that are selling USDT and go ahead and purchase USDT. So after purchasing USDT and it's in your wallet, what you need to do, you just need to change the market right here and shift to Nigerian market. So let me show you, right? Nigerian market, NGN, Nigerian Naira, right? So after the market has changed, what you just need to do, you need to head over to sell. Let me just confirm that. So what you need to do, you just need to head over to sell, and you are in Nigerian market here. So now you are going to sell your USDT that you bought from the Ugandan market, right? So when you head over to sell, just look for one of these guys. As long as they have the rate of their successful trade is high and they are verified by the Binance, then they are good to go with. So let me just head over to this one and hit on sell. So when a search window comes, right now you're just going to type the amount that you want to trade with that guy. So let me say 100 USDT. 100 USDT, this guy will be paying you 74,880. So how much money is that in Ugandan shillings? So 774,880. Let me just go to 774,880. This is Nigerian Naira to UGX. Then hit on search. Okay, so this is going to be 621,000. So just like this is a recap of the previous video. So you can see, and with your 100 USDT, you will have purchased it something about 375 Ugandan shillings, right? So you can see you are almost doubling your profits. So this is about 85%, right? Profit. So now after doing that, now this guy is going to, you're going to set the payment method that I'm going to show you in a while. So then after, this Nigerian guy will make the payment, and then after making the payment, then you'll go ahead and release your USDT right from Binance. So the method that we are going to be using, because we want to minimize the risks of being scammed and losing your assets and dealing with an untrusted guy. So with whichever guy that you're going to deal with, make sure they are registered on Binance, or it may not be Binance, maybe on KuCoin or Huobi, whichever platform. Make sure they are registered there and make most of these transactions on these platforms, right? So that you minimize the risks of losing your assets and being scammed. So what you need to do is just make sure you do these transactions right on the Binance, and I will show you process by process of how you can do that, right? So after that guy has sent you the payment and you have seen and you have received the money, because the payment takes the maximum time, it took about 30 minutes, right? And this is not a lot of time, but the cheaper cash method takes about 5 minutes. So immediately after seeing the money, then you can go ahead on the Binance platform and release your USDT, and you release your USDT and you call it a transaction. So but you have to make sure that, at least as you notice right here, as let's see, as you notice right here, this is you bought USDT at about 385 Ugandan shillings. So, and you're making these profits, so you have to leave some profits for the other party, right? So that means you will negotiate with a Nigerian guy depending on the profits that you're making on this trade, and so you leave him some profits so that he enjoys trading with you, and you can do more trades each day, right? So you may negotiate, and maybe the Nigerian guy sends you something like 550, or any amount of money depending on how you negotiate with that guy. So it's okay, it's very fine. Now the guys that have been chatting me up on Telegram, on WhatsApp, and telling you that we are doing back testing on this, so just contact me right now and we are good to go. So go ahead and make that money, no excuses anymore. So bye bye, I see you soon. My WhatsApp links are gonna be in the video description, so go ahead and chat me up. So bye bye, I will see you again. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, share it with friends, and I will see you again in the next one. Bye bye.